Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we're going to draw Komami from Yokai Watch. We're going to start with our sketching pencil and then just draw a giant jelly bean for the head. It's just going to be a jelly bean shape like so. Super easy to start. And then we're going to do a little circle for the body right below, and then we're going to just extend the circle on two sides like that. And for the legs, we're just going to add a little line right here and then just make these two lines down here and draw in the bottom too, like so. And for the arms, they're really simple. We're just going to draw two lines out on either side and then a little nub to complete the arm. For the face, let's just add the line down right in the middle to help us with our drawing, and that's all we really need to get started. Grab your marker and let's go into detail. We're gonna do the face first, so let's start off with the ear on either side. Right around this point, we're gonna go out and back in. And then we're gonna go a little lower and go back out and go back in for the detail inside the ear. Using the ear detail, we're going to go down the cheek, curve, and then we're going to go all the way down to the middle, like so, and we're going to repeat this on the other side. So right here, we're going to go out for the ear, back in, and right below it, go out, back in, and then let's go from this point to the middle. Once you get to the middle, we'll do the rest of the face, like so. And before we do the top of the head, there is some cool little fire details in the middle, so we're just going to draw that. So it's on the left side, we're going to start with a circular shape. Right around here, we're just going to start here, draw the circular shape, and then curve out to the top. And curve back in. And this is going to be the first swirl. I'm just going to add a little swirl like so. I'll repeat this on the other side. We're going to do the little curve. Go in, out, down, and then add the swirl. With that done, now we could draw the top of the head of Komami. With the two swirls done, we could draw in the eyes. This character has really derpy eyes, so we're just going to draw these two ovals on either side. Very derpy. And then circles in the side. The eyeball itself. And let's add in a little highlight just to make it a little cuter. And the color in black. With the eyes done, let's draw in the mouth and the nose, which is really simple. It's just two triangles. We're just going to do a triangle right here for the nose first, and one right below for the mouth. And then on either side of the cheeks, we have these cute little swirls. And there you have it. The face is done. Now we can move to the body. Body's gonna have this bow to start, so we're just gonna draw in two lines on either side. Line on the bottom to connect it, and let's draw the first bow. This is gonna be a shape down and back up. On this side, shape down, back up. Then once you have that, just loop for the bow detail. That's all you need for the bow. Now we could draw in the cowl. Starting from this point, we're going to go down to on either side of the arms. And we're going to be right in the middle. So we're going to swoop to the middle, swoop to the outside. And once that's done, let's draw in the arms. We're just going to go two lines out, connect it, and two paw lines. Same thing on this side. Go out, connect it, two paw lines. Once you're done with the rest of it, we're gonna draw in the little satchel before we draw in the body. So the satchel, we're gonna start with these two parallel lines starting from here. We're gonna go down to that point. And another one right below it, and then connect. And then we just need to draw in the pouch line, like so. And then a pouch below it. And that's all you really need for the pouch. Let's draw the rest of the body. Using your blue marker, marked lines, we're just going to draw in the outside of the legs, the bottom of the legs, bottom of the body, and then connect it all. Once you're done with that, we just need a little bit more details and we're good to go. Do a little tail in the back, two little lines to split the paw, and then we're gonna do the swirl in the middle where his belly button is. You can go loop all the way around, and then loop back out for the swirl detail. And that's all you really need for your Komami drawing. Now we just need to add some color real quick. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have suggestions for any other drawing, please leave it in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one.